Alright, this is the Jeep Liberty with a V6. Customer complaint here is O2 sensor is stripped right in the pipe, so the threads are shot. So that means you have to change this pipe, which looks like a cap. Here's the replacement cap. Okay, this is the way it looks like. It's O2 on the top, O2 on the bottom. But the problem is here, getting to the clamp that's up here. There's a clamp up here that's very hard to get to. I'm gonna show it to you up here. I got a wrench on it right now, but yes, that little bad boy right up there. See it? It's threaded rod, firewall's right there. You can't get a socket on it, you can't get anything on it. You can't even stick your hand through here. Okay, this ain't gonna fit there, your hand ain't gonna fit through here. So the only way to do it, since the pipe is being changed anyway, you got to cut it off. So you got to go and use your Milwaukee Sawzall. Cut this bugger right off with the O2 sensor, because you don't really need it. It's going to be junk anyway. Once you cut that off, you're going to notice there's a lot more room up there that you can get to it. You can get your little 10mm flex wrench, hook it on there, and you're gonna crank that bugger out until the clamp splits. Once it splits, you're gonna change the other O2 sensor and slap it all back together. Okay, but this video is just basically to show you that the only way to get in there is with the flex wrench. Okay, flex wrench like this is the only way to get in there, because you can't get a socket in there. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna take that apart and I'm gonna get it out. Comes with a new gasket over here, new gasket up on top, and just slide it in, and away we go. Yeah, this is not a fun job. So if you have to do one, have fun, take your time, get yourself a nice bend pack lift. It helps. All right, ciao.